So today we are looking at the HiBoost Mini. This is to boost your signal and help keep you connected in your home. We live in the mountains, so we don't have very good service. I can show you on an internet speed test, but we're just going to talk about HiBoost and how it can help you. So if I run an internet speed test, in the mountains we're looking to get around less than 20 most of the time megabits per second. And so that makes it really hard, especially for school or other things like streaming becomes pretty much impossible without options like this. So we're going to look at what we have in this box and check it out together. All right. So it comes with these direction manuals here, as well as what looks like a tower. So this you use with the outside antenna. Here is the product itself. Here's the HiBoost right here. So this is what actually boosts your signal. And then it comes with the cables and wires that you need underneath. So here we have everything laid out on the table. We have the cables that we'll need to plug in to be able to boost our signal. So these can just twist right on. So this is everything that comes in the box. We have the indoor HiBoost piece itself, as well as what will be for the indoor antenna. We have our cables that go both outside and inside, as well as hardware to mount the outdoor piece, and then of course our power supply. So everything can be assembled quite easily. It comes with a handy user manual that you can go through that describes the product as well as walks you through how to assemble it. So let's work on it together. We have the HiBoost hooked up and it is helping our phone signal. As you can see here, we're pulling higher numbers than we were before, so I'd highly recommend that you check this out online. Overall, the quality of these products is really great. You can tell that they're very sturdy and the wires will last even in the weather that we have out here. We get a lot of rain, but I'm not worried at all with the quality of these wires. I can tell that this is built to last and that we'll be able to use this for a long time. I plugged it in, so let's check out the difference. This is helping boost our Wi-Fi signal. So you can see that. Alright, so we have it on now and it is boosting our phone signal.